Hack number 1. DIY room heater with candles. 110-200 visual complexion pot, candles, and aluminum antipode setup. Voiceover. Agar aapki paas electric heater nahi hai, to 3 candles complexion pot seaap ek mini room heater bana sakt ho. Candles ko ek charger main rako, unk upper upside down complexion pot rako or pot ka andar heat trap ho jayegi. Chod apartments ko incontinently warm karn ka low cost hack. Pro tip. Always keep the essence charger underneath to avoid accidents. Hack number 2. Socks over shoes trick. 200-240. Visual a person pulling thick socks over lurkers. Voiceover. Snow main chalna slippery ho sakta high. Apni shoes kuyuper cotton socks paino. Ye disunion bad hate hain or slip hone ka threat kem cardi hain. Ek life-saving hack for icy roads. Hack number 3. Bubble wrap for windows. 243-20. Visual applying bubble serapi on glass windows. Voiceover. Thandi hawa andar a rahi hai. Apni windows p bubble serapi laga do. Ya ek sequestration subcast produce karta high jo heat loss kem karta high or room 2x zyada warm ho jada high. Hack number 4. Hot water bottle bed heater. 32400. Visual filling a bottle with hot water, placing it under robes. Voiceover. Rat ko bed indurating lag to high? Ek hot water bottle ya normal bottle main garam pani bark mask kuneche rocko. 5 nanosecond main bed warmish warm ho jayega. Hack number 5. Vaseline against frostbite snowflake. 400-440. Visual applying Vaseline on hands, cheeks, and nose. Voiceover. Sardi kudain main frostbite ka katra hoda high. Nikalni se peli, Vaseline ya petroleum jelly exposed skin p lagao. Ya ek defensive hedge ban at a high jo skin ko dry or cracked hone se bachata high. Hack number 6. Rice socks heat pack. For 45-20. Visual filling a sock with rice, hotting it in the microwave oven. Voiceover. Cold hands or bases ka quick result? Ek clean sock main rice bark microwave oven karo 2 twinkles kulia. Yes sock instant heat pack ban jada high jo 30 twinkles tack warm reda high. Hack number 7. Rubbing alcohol for frozen locks. 520-600. Visual applying alcohol on firm door cinches. Voiceover. Agar auto ya door cinches indurate ho gay ho, to rubbing alcohol spray karo. Alcohol ka low freezing point locks ko turrent unlock car dita high. Hack number 8. Layering clothes dashingly. 600-640. Visual a person wearing 3 thin layers rather of 1 heavy jacket. Voiceover. Ek heavy jacket pain se better high 3 thin layers paina. Pali subcast humidity control cardi high, alternate warmth deady high, or third cold wave block cardi high. Ya hack body temperature regulate carda high or apcos zyada comfortable rock to high. Hack number 9. Swab to melt ice. 647-20. Visual smattering swab on icy driveways. Voiceover. Driveway p ice jam gai high? Thoda table swab sprinkle karo. Ya ice ko turrent melt car dita high or slippery face safe banjadi high. Hack number 10. Hairdryer for foggy windows. 72800. Visual blowing hot air on foggy auto windows. Voiceover. Auto windows constantly foggy ho rahi hain? Hairdryer ka use karo to snappily clear the fog. Plus, ex subcasti anti-fog result lagaji to long-lasting result malega. Hack number 11. DIY fire starter tackle. 800-850. Visual cotton balls dipped in petroleum jelly. Voiceover. Camping ya power outage kawakt fire jalana mushkil hoda high. Cotton balls petroleum jelly equals instant fire starter. Ya hack life-saving host sakta high extreme cold conditions main. Hack number 12. Use aluminum antipode behind radiators. 859-30. Visual placing aluminum antipode behind the radiator. Voiceover. Agar AP radiator use cardi ho to uski piche aluminum antipode lagao. Ya heat ko room kaandar reflect carda high, tak warmth sayada der tak tikti rahi. Hack number 13. Use Ziploc bags for gloves. 930-1010. visual wearing gloves inside Ziploc bags. Voiceover. Gloves se behath thanda ho rahi hain. Gloves ka andar Ziploc bags pano. Yak humidity evidence hedge ban at a high jo hoth ko warm or dry rock to high. Hack number 14. Tea light heaters hot beverage, 1010 to 1050. Visual 5 tea light candles placed in a charger. Voiceover. Small apartments ko snappily warm karna high. 5 tea light candles ek essence charger main rocco or upper ceramic coliseum place caro. Ek movable heater ready ho jada high jo hours tak heat dita high. Hack number 15. Keep batteries warm. 1050 to 1130. Visual storing batteries and socks inside pockets. Voiceover. Indurating temperatures main batteries gourmandized drain ho jadi hain. Unhe thick socks main dal car fund main rocco. Ya hack mobile, flashlight, or widgets key battery life double car dita high. Hack number 16. Keep shoes dry with review. 05130. Visual stuffing journals inside wet thrills. Voiceover. Snow main be gay ho? Apney wet shoes ka enda review bar do. Paper humidity soak car liga or thrills overnight dry ho jange. Hack number 17. Honey for winter cough. 13210. Visual mixing honey in warm water. Voiceover. Winter main dry cough common high. Ek mug warm water main 1 ladle honey blend car capillo. Ya throat soothe carta high or vulnerable system strong ban at a high. Hack number 18. Keep door drafts down. 210-250. Visual rolling kerchief under the door. Voiceover. Thandi hawa darwas kanache sea rahi high. Ek rolled kerchief ya door draft breach lagao. Room incontinently 1015 zyada warm ho jada high. Hack number 19. DIY ice scraper. 253-30. Visual using a credit card on frozen auto glass. Voiceover. Auto windshield snap ho guy? Agar ice scraper nahi high to ek credit card se gently ice scrape caro. Quick or safe result. Hack number 20. Olive oil for frozen zippers. 33410. Visual rubbing olive oil painting on a wedge zipper. Voiceover. Winter jackets ka zippers jam ho jade hain. Thoda olive oil painting laga or 2 nanosecond bad zipper easily glide karega. Hack number 21. Keep pipes from indurating. 410-450. Visual belting pipes with cloth. Voiceover. Extreme cold main pipes indurate host socked hain. Unhi apkins fra sequestration se wrap caro. Plus, gate ko thoda drip karn do, ye water inflow maintain carda high. Hack number 22. Plastic wrap for door handles. 455-30. Visual belting kitchen plastic on door handles. Voiceover. Metal door handles indurating cold lagged hain? Unhi plastic serapi se cover car do. Opki hoth frostbite se safer hench. Hack number 23. Cinnamon tea for warmth hot beverage. 530-610. Visual brewing cinnamon tea in a kettle. Voiceover. Cinnamon tea downtime main body heat boost cardi high. Ek mug garam chai vulnerable system strong ban at a high or thand se bachata high. Hack number 24. Use pool noodles for car doors. 610-650. Visual cutting pool poles to fit on auto doors. Voiceover. Auto doors snowstorm kabad jam ho jate hain. Pool poles cut karka door edges p lagao. Ice seal nahi banegi. Hack number 25. DIY thermal curtains. 650-730. Visual hanging thick robes on windows. Voiceover. Thin curtains toast escape cardi hain. Thick thermal curtains your robes windows p lagao. Room temperature incontinently ameliorate ho jada high. Hack number 26. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. 73810. Visual applying sanitizer on a frozen cinch. Voiceover. Aga rubbing alcohol nahi high to hand sanitizer use caro. Alcoholic gel ice melt car dita high or lock open ho jada high. Hack number 27. DIY humidifier. 810-850. Visual placing a wet kerchief near a heater. Voiceover. Winter air dry hodi high jo skin or throat damage cardi high. Ek wet kerchief heater kapas rocco. Room main natural moisture maintain hodi high. Hack number 28. Hot drinks rather of coffee. 8:59:30. Visual pouring herbal tea into a mug. Voiceover. Zyada coffee downtime main dehumidification cause cardi high. Rather, green tea, chamomile tea, yabam honey water choose caro. Body warm be rahagi or energy be boost hoagie. Hack number 29. Teetotaler waste for stationery free clothes. 9/31/10. Visual rubbing teetotaler wastes on sweaters. Voiceover. Winter sweaters main stationary electricity annoying hoodie high. Teetotaler distance sweater p or caro or static incontinently cotton. Hack number 30. Use socks over windshield wipers. 1010 to 1050. Visual covering wipers with socks. Voiceover. Snowfall se pelly windshield wipers p socks chada do. Wipers indurate nahi hung or coming morning safai easy ho jaegi. Hack number 31. Coconut oil for dry skin. 1050 to 1130. Visual applying coconut oil painting on hands and face. Voiceover. Winter main skin zyada dry hodi high. Coconut oil painting natural moisturizer high Joe skin KO's soft or crack free rock to high. Hack number 32. Use cat waste for traction. 1130 to 1210. Visual spreading cat waste on icy driveways. Voiceover. Driveways slippery high. Cat waste ice p daylo. Disunion produce hoda high or slips avoid hodi hain. Hack number 33. DIY pocket hand warmers. 1210 to 1250. Visual mixing swab, water, and rice in a Ziploc bag. Voiceover. X Ziploc bag main rice swab dal car microwave oven caro. Pocket main rocco or hoth hours tack warmer henge. Hack number 34. Avoid essence shells. 1250 to 1330. Visual touching a frozen rail. Voiceover. Extreme cold main essence shell skin kusath incontinently indurate host sakti hain. Gloves pain bina kabi essence ko touch na carrion. Hack number 35. Petroleum jelly on nose for nosebleeds. 1330 to 1410. Visual applying petroleum jelly inside nostrils. Voiceover. Dry downtime air nosebleeds beget cardi high. Nostrils kaanda thoda petroleum jelly lagao. Humidity maintain hodi high or bleeding rukti high. Hack number 36. DIY exigency candle. 1410 to 1450. Visual burning a adulation stick as a candle. Voiceover. Power outage ho gai. Ek adulation stick kutap p wick insert karka use burn caro. Ye 2 hours tack light dita high. Hack number 37. Keep laptop batteries warm. 1450 to 1530. Visual belting laptop in a scarf. Voiceover. Cold rainfall main laptop battery fast drain hodi high. Laptop ko scarf main serapi karka bag kaanda rako. Battery zyada kalaji. Hack number 38. Store automats for exigency. 1530 to 1610. Visual placing automats under tires. Voiceover. Agar auto snow main faz gai high. Automats tires kanache rock do. Ye redundant grip deet hain or auto fluently nikal jati high. Hack number 39. Use aloe vera for chapped lips. 1610 to 1650. Visual applying aloe vera gel on lips. Voiceover. Winter main lips zyada dry or cracked ho jade hain. Aloe vera gel lips ko incontinently heal karda high or wimpiness maintain hodi high. Hack number 40. Keep matches leak proof. 1650 to 1730. Visual dipping match heads in melted wax. Voiceover. Out of door survival kaliya matches ko melted wax main dip karka store caro. Snowfall main be fluently in kindle ho jade hain. Hack 41. Help your windows from indurating. Frozen windows can be an agony. Before going to bed, spot your windows with the admixture of water and ginger, 21 rate. This prevents frost from forming overnight and keeps your windows clear in the morning. It's eco-friendly and affordable. Hack 42. DIY snow boots waterproofing. Make your old shoes snowproof by rubbing a plain beeswax candle on them. Also, gently toast the face with a hairdryer to melt the wax into the material. This creates a defensive, unnoticeable coating that keeps your bases dry indeed in deep snow. Hack 43. Use aluminum foil behind radiators. Still, you can increase heat effectiveness with aluminum antipode, if you use wall-mounted radiators. Place a distance of antipode behind the radiator. It reflects heat back into the room rather than letting it escape through the walls. You'll feel warmer and save plutocrat on heating. Hack 44. Keep your auto battery alive. Winter kills auto batteries briskly than you suppose. Before a snowstorm, dissociate and clean the battery outstations using a dry cloth. Apply petroleum jelly to the outstations to help erosion and freezing. This simple step can help expensive reserves. Hack 45. Instant hand warmers. Fill a small sock with raw rice, tie it, and toast it in the microwave oven for 1 nanosecond. It works as a quick, manual hand warmer that stays hot for over 30 twinkles. Keep a couple in your pockets when heading out on cold mornings. Hack 46. Save energy with thermal curtains. Invest in thermal or blackout curtains for your windows. They trap heat outside and keep the cold wave out, making your home warmer without adding your energy bills. You'll notice the difference incontinently. Hack 47. Use socks to defog car windows. Foggy auto windows during downtime are annoying. Fill an old sock with cat waste, tie it up, and place it on your dashboard overnight. Cat waste absorbs humidity from the air, keeping your windows clear without constantly wiping them. Hack 48. Warm up your clothes before wearing them. Put your socks, shirts, or sweaters in the teetotaler for 3 to 5 twinkles before dressing. Wearing warm clothes feels cozy and keeps your body temperature stable, especially on indurating mornings. Hack 49. Keep your pipes from indurating. Frozen pipes can burst and beget precious damage. Before a cold night, open press doors under cesspools and let warm air circulate around pipes. For redundant protection, wrap them in old napkins or frost sequestration. Hack 50. Subcast dashingly for maximum warmth. Final hack. The secret to staying warm isn't wearing one heavy fleece. It's layering intelligently. Start with a humidity-wicking inner subcast, add a thermal separating subcast, and eclipse it off with a leak-proof, windproof jacket. This system traps toast effectively and keeps you comfortable indeed in extreme cold wave.